This is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So in the beginning, I would recommend that you launch the Smart Manager or System Manager app. Here, tap at the virus scan and see if the phone will find any viruses on your system. And if it will, the system will also help you to get rid of those viruses or malware, whatever is that you'll come up with. On top of that, you can also launch the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture here, then open the Play Protect and scan your phone for harmful apps using the Google Play Protect scan. You can also turn yourself to third-party solutions such as Avast antivirus app here. Just get it installed and use its built-in virus scan feature to check your system for malicious applications. And the final advice that I would have for you is that you launch settings. Here, look for the special access and then find the device admin access here. Or actually, it will be just easier if I'll look for admin access specifically. Yep, the device administrators, and see if any suspicious app has this permission, and if it does, make sure to deactivate it and uninstall such app right away, since most probably it was the cause for your hacked system problems. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.